For all the latest updates, subscribe to News9.
Scientists at IIT Gandhinagar have detected the genetic material of SARS-CoV-2 virus in wastewater. The study has found that gene copies of the virus in Ahmedabad's wastewater match the incidence of the disease in the city. The study is a breakthrough as it paves the way for WBE, which is wastewater-based epidemiology in India. WBE can help in real-time surveillance of COVID-19 in India. With this study, India becomes one of the few countries worldwide doing WBE on COVID-19. WBE is a promising approach to study the status of a disease in a given area. Wastewater-based epidemiology monitors the viral load in wastewater to give a real-time understanding of the number of people infected with a given virus. Recent studies have shown that the novel coronavirus is present in feces of infected people. The RNA, which is the genetic material of the virus, can be found in sewage and treatment plants. Treatment plants collect wastewater from a large region, so the level of RNA in untreated wastewater is measured. This can give researchers an insight into the number of people infected with the virus in a particular region. The study was a collaboration between IIT Gandhinagar, Gujarat Biotechnology Research Centre and Gujarat Pollution Control Board. The scientists studied wastewater samples collected on May 8th and May 27th from Old Pirana Wastewater Treatment Plant in Ahmedabad. This plant also receives 106 million litres per day influent from the Ahmedabad Civil Hospital. The Ahmedabad Civil Hospital is treating COVID-19 patients. The researchers noted that although SARS-CoV-2 genes were found in the wastewater coming into the treatment plant, no gene was spotted in the effluent leaving the treatment plant. It was also noted that the quantity of genetic material detected on May 27 was almost 10 times more than that detected on May 8th. These numbers correspond with the surge in COVID-19 cases from May 8th to May 27th. From May 8th to May 27th, the number of active COVID-19 patients in Ahmedabad doubled in number. The study aims to assist policymakers in COVID-19 surveillance and understanding the phase of the pandemic. An advanced surveillance system for environmental samples can help track real-time situations for the ongoing pandemic and also seasonal epidemics. With this study, India has become a part of a few countries in the world which are adopting this approach for real-time surveillance. This study can also facilitate nationwide initiative for detecting early signs of outbreaks in various areas.